back to another cottage renovation video where I pit my skills against the challenges of this cottage renovation. Yes, it's thrown up a few issues and challenges, but so far we've got over them. But the next one is to get this wall finished, get it plastered. We've got another mix outside, so without further ado, let's get going again. We're making good progress with the render. To the right, the highlighted stones, they're the ones that are sticking out a little bit prouder than the rest of the wall. So what I've done is just outline them for now with the mortar, pointed it up around there. We'll brush it back a little bit later, work our way down the wall, and then we'll come over to this side. I'll just start to highlight the bigger stones to match in that side. Now, we're not after perfect symmetry, you know, that wasn't what this building was all about, but it does still need to look pleasing to the eye. So all the bigger stones will be highlighted and the rest will be rendered over. You know, some of the other stones are too small to point, and yeah, it just doesn't look right. So this is the way I'm doing it. What do you think? Just work it into the joint with the paintbrush. Wire brush the stones afterwards and just work my way down. So we'll just highlight those bigger stones with the wire brush, working our way around the joint, and then get rid of any loose clay that's still sticking to some of the stones. To get a good depth into here. And then over this side, the stones are not so good and they're smaller, so we're just going to pick these ones up, make them look better. Now we'll have to continue further down once I've dug the floor out, because it's too high in the cottage at the moment, this end, so the floor's got to be dug down. That'll be coming up soon, and then I can finish pointing and rendering down to the bottom of the wall. We have got to build the floor up afterwards with insulation and whatever flooring I'm going to use, probably ancient terracotta tiles in here. So yeah, soon come together. So when that's cured a little bit, I'll come back with a brush and smooth it out and work it into the joints properly. We'll wire brush it down afterwards to get it where we need it to be. But until then, I've got some more jobs to do, so I'm going to get on with those. First coat now completed. Same with the other side. Still not decided yet whether I'm going to render the back of the fireplace. But I'm certainly not going to do it at the moment. Even if I do decide to do it, it can be done a little bit later on. So for now, it's staying as is. The grass is all cut. I don't know how that mower is still going, but it is. So, yep, I'll take that one. I'll say that every year, and every year it keeps going. Okay, now when I cut the grass, I'm one for trying to make things easy and streamlined. So the natural path for cutting on the ride-on is just here, as you can see. Just leaves this rather awkward area, triangle there. So what I'm going to do is put a raised bed through there. Timber going there to there. I've got some bagged soil, compost, horse manure in the car. So yeah, I think I'll do that now. The weather's on our side once again, so yeah, let's get this done. So I've got some cardboard to put down on the base here to suppress the grass. Probably need another link for this. I need to go from corner there to corner there. There's not going to be any fancy joinery or woodwork seen here today, folks. Simply screwed together. I may put a divider through so there's two beds here, but not necessary. I might do. Right, I think I need another link for this to make a joining piece. Let's go see if I can find one. As usual when I take on these projects, it's sunny, and then within about half an hour winds pick up and it's like it's going to pour down, so I think I'm going to get caught out again. Now there's definitely a storm brewing over there. They did forecast a storm, but that was tomorrow morning. We'll see. Let's just soldier on till it starts pouring down. Can't get wet again, I've already got a cold. Now I've got some weeding to do here as well. We've got celeriac still in the ground here. These have been brilliant. We've been eating a lot of that purple sprouting broccoli there. Cow. They're done really good in these beds. But yeah, the next one needs a bit of attention. Okay, let's create this one before I get wet. I did plan to do this all over, but to be honest with you, I'm not feeling 100%, and I've got some cardboard, so it'll be fine. Run for cover in a minute. Could have told me it weren't straight. I'm going to peg it. Going to try and find some metal spikes. Stick either side so it gives it a bit of strength. And then yeah, we'll get that cardboard down. Sellotape on it. Cardboard down. Now for the next layer. Now if you haven't got mulch, you can use small twigs cut up small. Just line the bottom out with those. So there's a good 3 to 4 inches down on there. It will compact, but it definitely will suppress those weeds. Now for the bagged compost and soil. The sun's still out, but we've got another storm coming, I think. So I've now got a good structure down for, you know, a good raised bed really. I've got some horse manure in there, well rotted down this bag, so it's all hygienic. And we've got an organic multi-purpose compost. Now I'm going to mix it up with maybe some grit and some other garden soil. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to risk getting wet again, so I'm going to call it a day on this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.